Scoot, you get that corner, I get this corner.
Oh, we're doing it together. I thought I was doing it.
Oh, you want to do it by yourself?
No, it's fine. We'll do it together. It's more fun.
No, like it doesn't matter, dude. Half of it's gonna be horrible, and half of it's gonna be horrible. All right, so our friend Jeanette brought us a bunch of snacks from Canada, and we're gonna run through them all. We're gonna show them all up close first, and then we're gonna taste them, okay? And then we have a few. Well, we have a few snacks also we picked up. These are ours. Wasn't there something else we picked up? Oh, I picked up this bag.
Pork rinds.
Yeah, and then that's all Canada right there.
Canada.
All right, well, just come on in close and take a look at this. It's just a snack attack. We've been collecting these snacks because this just wasn't enough earlier to do. Now we have plenty. So let's talk all the Canadian products first. That says Hostess, but I don't think that's the Hostess we have.
No, it's not American Hostess.
Yeah, it's Hickory Sticks. It's just Hickory Sticks.
Julianus Al Hickory.
Anyway, that's what it looks like.
I don't know.
Then we got Bugles. Yeah, Bugles.
Ranch Bugles.
Yeah, we got Bugles, but I don't know if we have Ranch Bugles.
We do. I saw them in the gas station at Thornton's yesterday.
Did you? Okay.
They could be just new, though.
Well, you haven't seen this flashback bag. See, this is before you were born. This is what Doritos logo used to look like before you were in existence.
That sounds like the worst flavor of Doritos
yes.
ever.
It's like Doritos dirt. Dirt flavor. It's
Are
like
you supposed to put, like, the Doritos on top of your french fries now?
I don't know why who dipped their Doritos in ketchup. So we're going to try that in a second. And then this, I couldn't handle it. I got this at Worldmark, and they're pork rinds, kimchi barbecue. And I know you love kimchi.
Frick yeah.
So we're going to try that also. And then this is something we're kind of scared of. Sweet mustard pickles. Now, is it something you put in? It looks like a liquid, or the pickles? Oh, there's pickles in there.
There's pickles in it.
Okay. I don't know if you put it on your burger or sandwich. They just show pickles.
There's probably someone sitting at home eating this by the jar, and we're over here grossed out by it. He's like, "This is my favorite snack ever."
All right, and then hot mustard. All right. I don't know why she went, "Ooh, hot mustard." The Americans should know about this. This is a popular snack item.
It's probably made with like habaneros and ghost peppers.
Oh, no. Seriously?
I don't know, it might.
Is she setting us up? Moutard? I don't. Can we say moutard?
I don't know.
What's
It's
a
your
moutard?
channel, say what
What's
you
a
want.
moutard? No. Stop. Just stop. All right. It has. Okay. That's mustard in another language.
This mustard in Canadian.
We're gonna just say mustard for this episode.
These are the Doritos Crunch Mix. So it's like a little snack mix. Looks like a little trail mix. You got the nacho cheese and the Cool Ranch.
Yeah, if you can hold them a little higher, they completely won't see them. Yeah, that's nice. Can you try it again?
Fine.
Nope. Put it in there.
All right, so these are the Doritos.
That's better. You heard what he said. All right, put him down. Let's get started.
This video's gonna suck. It's gonna
So before we
bask
get
in it.
started, you have a new YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell them about it while I'm opening this bag?
Yeah, I write Christian rap and the...
I just realized it's going to make too much noise. All right, go ahead and talk first, then we'll get eating.
All right, so I write my own Christian rap, and the channel's called God Driven Records, and I have, by now I should have 4 songs up, and there's a lot more on the way. The goal is to have 3 music videos and about 7 songs, and then we'll be putting all my music on Spotify, and you guys will be the first to know about that when that happens.
But then you can go to the YouTube channel now and subscribe and hear what he has up there right now.
Definitely.
Link down below.
Yep.
Awesome.
It's in the description.
All
Check it
right,
out.
Let's start with the one where you think's just ridiculous. Doritos ketchup.
I think this one is the ridiculous one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and get one. And don't do like mom and just start eating. Just, did you just poke yourself in the nose with the
Yeah,
chip?
I tried to swallow it, actually I poked my nose.
All right, let's do it. Yeah, that's ketchup.
That's ketchup. There's nothing I can say about that. It's not good, but it's ketchup.
I have no urge to go for a second chip.
Me either.
That's sad, too.
This makes me want to start fasting.
All right, you know what? No, go ahead. I won't laugh. I promise.
What?
Our ketchup needs Mutard. We need mustard, dude. Did you just burp?
Yeah, a little bit.
Say excuse me.
Excuse me.
All right, ready?
No, we're gonna no that no.
No,
that's
we're going
for
for
the ends. That's for
no.
the
We
ends.
gotta put it
No,
on the
that and the
ketchup.
pickles are no. We're definitely not putting it on that.
But if we put
Save that for the end.
pickles, mustard,
No.
all we're missing is a hot dog.
It's for the end.
Bugles. Sorry, keep on saying bagels. I don't know why.
Here's your bagels.
All right, here we go.
These look nothing like bagels.
They look like Chex Mix, don't they?
Yeah.
Just misshapen. Oh, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, ranch right away. Mm-hmm. Still not a treat that I care for too much.
Wow.
No. Bugles, Hickory Sticks, and ketchup.
Gotta grab a
What
few.
the? It's like
Smells
hair.
like barbecue.
It's like a bunch of
It's
little
like those type of
bits.
French fries you don't like.
Who just you shovel this in?
Yeah, you ready? We're pretty good.
Yeah.
That was good.
Real salty though. Did you get salty at the end of that?
Yeah.
Okay, but I would never eat that.
Huh?
Wait. Would you eat that again? All right, so I wouldn't buy those Hickory Sticks. They're really salty. They're just a bunch of little tiny sticks, and I get nothing for it. I didn't like it at all. Did you like it?
It was all right. I wasn't a fan of it.
Wait, I can't hear you because you're making noise. Stop that because the microphone can't pick you up.
It was all right. I wasn't really a fan of it.
Now you can open it. All right, but we haven't finished Canada. We want to go to Canada
No, I'm
later?
gonna take an American break.
All right, we're doing, well, that may not even be American, is it? Let me see. Hold on. Southern recipe, small batch. All right. Kimchi barbecue pork rinds.
Big pork rind. That's a big one.
Quit fingering them all.
That's not one that I'm comfortable with.
All right, you ready?
Uh huh.
Man, this is all
You
garbage.
almost spilled all the pork rinds over.
This is the episode. Don't eat any of this crap. That is
We
nasty.
should just start doing eating challenges of nasty foods.
No.
All right, here we go.
Which one you doing?
Oh, if we're picking,
Doritos Cool
here,
Ranch?
That one, I prefer Cool Ranch over nacho cheese.
I'll do nacho cheese.
This one's nachos.
Is that how you supposed to open it? I just ripped it open. Is that how you open it? Oh, I guess so. You went to the school of Jack opening. They got different shapes. If one fall in your mouth, go back in. If one come out of your mouth and go back in there. This is awful. No, I'm serious. It's not even good. My mouth is full of like 12 flavors that make me want to throw up.
Wow.
What's the best thing of the pickles? What? These are great. All right, get us 2 spoons.
If you like vomit, that's the product for you. What am I getting? Spoons? I thought we were doing the ketchup chips.
What? What? No.
Smell it.
No, we're trying.
No, I
Don't
saw
get
your
us-
face. Let me
it's
smell
so
it.
good.
I didn't see it.
No, hold on. If you smell it,
Smell it.
if you smell it, hold on a minute. If you smell it, you gotta face the camera. Okay.
Okay.
I can't still laughing. Hold on,
Give
I'll
it
do
to
it.
me.
Well, look at the camera. Ready? Don't turn your head. Ready?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm afraid to taste this. Your career may be over soon.
So this is how it ends, huh?
This is how it
It
ends.
was a good run. We hit 350 and
What is that?
that's me not being
No,
an idiot.
come on.
No, I'm not taking a scoop of that.
I'm not taking
Okay,
that.
fine,
Take a
I'll
little
take a
bit.
scoop.
Just a little bit. All right, ready? Cheers. All right, here we go. It's a little hot.
Really?
Yeah. Is yours getting hot?
No.
Oh my gosh. That's truly hot mustard. You didn't even...
I put it right here with...
Dude, you're going to drip. You didn't even try it.
No, I didn't.
Try it. I told you, it gets hot, doesn't it? What are you doing? Why are you leaning over in the sink? It wasn't that bad. All right, do you not like deli mustard? Okay, so Jack says, as he's spitting it in the sink, it tastes like wasabi and mustard had a kid. So, there it is. I thought it was not bad. I'm going to save this. I'll use that on something. Should we show them what it looks like? Bring them in close. Oh my gosh, there's onions in here and pickles.
So disgusting.
Okay, so it looks like there's pickles and there's these pearl onions, right? These pearl onions in there. Anything else? Nope, that's it. In this creamy yellow sauce. Looks like. Ready? Mm-hmm. All right, here we go.
Not bad.
What?
Not bad.
No? What?
I would honestly say it's the best thing we've had out of all of them.
But what are you using on? Okay.
Ask your viewers, they'll know.
Marinated, sweet mustard and pickles with onions in it. I don't know if you put it on like hot dogs or if you put it on the side and eat it on the side.
If that wasn't on my if that was on my hot dog, that'd be pretty good. I can imagine that. The flavors.
Or a hamburger, right?
No, not a hamburger.
All right, so the thing we were most afraid of was probably the best thing we tasted. We were right. All right, I guess that's it.
All right.
All right.
Thank you for joining us on this distasteful video.
Oh my gosh, this is such a horrible video.
This video sucks.
This may never see the light of day. Take care, you guys. So as soon as it goes in your mouth, you can taste a little bit of the kind of hickory barbecue. What?
I wanted to call you a mootard.
Stop. Come on. I gotta get this, or we're never gonna do this.
All right, good. We're already halfway through. What do you mean we're never gonna do this?
Listen.
We're already 50% of the way there.
This is like the worst video we've ever done. Why do we even... I'm not doing any more snack videos.
Today we're going to show you how to peel an egg. We're going to take it back to when you released a son.